Well, chances of rain do increase some this weekend. We're not expecting rain everywhere or widespread heavy rain, but the sea breeze will have more moisture to work with, so it could spark more numerous showers and a few thunderstorms potentially during the daytime tomorrow. And that should help drive down temperatures a bit. Instead of being up around 100 everywhere, most places in the 90s. And if you do get a shower storm nearby, it could drop temperatures down cooler than that for a while in the afternoon. So probably not quite as hot as it has been for this weekend compared to the last couple of days, but about 95 in Harlingen, 98 in McAllen. Your day planners should start off mainly dry in the morning, although a slim chance you might see a sprinkle or shower near the coast early in the morning, but most of it offshore. And then during the daytime, late in the morning, say 10 or 11 in the morning through the afternoon, a couple showers or storms are possible here and there around the valley. I mean, if you just look out your window and see the clouds are getting big and dark and coming from the southeast, there might be a shower or storm headed your way for a brief downpour, and then everything dies off tomorrow night, and then we have a smaller chance for maybe a couple showers or storm on Sunday. There's a good bit of rain that's expected this weekend and early next week in parts of central and western Texas. You can see there's already some clusters of showers and storms in the northern hill country and to the west near the Del Rio area. This area will kind of see on and off showers and storms that could add up to several inches over the next 3 or 4 days or so combined, and some of that gets into our watershed areas. Look at future track though, and it does have a weak front to the north. There's also a bit of a weak upper level low here we put in on the map here. This combination kind of keeping most of the rain to our west in areas of central and western Texas. South of that though, there's a little bit of moisture coming up from the south here with the sea breeze, maybe to tap into that. So we do get a couple showers or storms potentially here, but the big rain again pretty far away up around Del Rio and off to the north and west of there. Sunday afternoon, we start to maybe lose the moisture, but enough here for a couple of showers or maybe a storm still in the area. So here's a close look at future track, and it shows dry weather tonight, although if you look closely, a couple little blips go by around 3 or 4 in the morning. So there might be enough moisture for a sprinkle or a very quick little shower near the coast. During the day tomorrow, we start off dry in most areas, but then as the sea breeze comes in, it could spark a couple showers or storms, but you see not a lot of widespread rain expected. But I think there's more moisture in the air, so if you do get a shower, it could actually give you maybe a quick downpour of maybe a half an inch or an inch of rain in spots, but not just like a little sprinkle for 5 minutes that does nothing. So maybe a few little brief rounds of some slightly heavier rain. And then on Sunday, the moisture decreases a bit, but still maybe a couple showers able to pop up. You see future track has 1 or 2 in the area, but I think Sunday overall could be somewhat of a windy day compared to what we've seen lately. It's kind of breezy today, but maybe even more so on Sunday. 30% chance for rain tomorrow, and then down to 20% on Sunday, and then back to dry Monday, and probably almost no rain after that much of next week. As far as the breezes go, the breeze out there dies off tonight, and then you see during the day tomorrow, it starts off kind of quiet, but notice we do get a little more of a breeze at times tomorrow afternoon. Not super windy, but winds probably 15, 20, 25 miles per hour. Sunday, the winds pick up a little more. You see there's more color there with the kind of yellowish colors indicating a wind 20 to 25 miles per hour or a little more, maybe some gusts up around 35 to 40 miles per hour. So you want to watch out Sunday if you have plans to be outside. It could be rather windy. At the coast tomorrow, highs mostly in the upper 80s. Probably going to be dry nearly all day. I mean, don't let the small chance of rain cancel your plans. If there is a quick shower at the coast, it should quickly move by. High tide in the morning, low tide in the evening. And the first 7-day forecast, temperatures just a little bit cooler over the weekend. I mean, if you do get caught into some extra clouds or a shower tomorrow, it could drive temperatures down into the 80s or lower 90s for a while in the afternoon before it comes back up. But highs mainly in the 90s this weekend. Remember, Sunday could be kind of windy. After that, it's still a little breezy on Monday, but we get into mainly a hot and dry stretch of weather again Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week with very little, if any, sea breeze showers after Sunday. So we'll keep tracking the changes. Have a look at the tropics next half hour and also your travel forecast here coming up.